Hey, welcome to Autodidactic Therapy. Today I will be doing a unboxing Vari Essential Electronic Standing Desk, 48 by 24 hazel wood. Got it from Amazon Black Friday, about 200 bucks. Let's open it up. We got it covered. Now this is pretty cool. It's already in one, so let's see here. There we go, 1 unit. That's pretty cool. Max weight 150 pounds on this, I guess. That's awesome. Put this aside. The leg, kissing the foot, There we go. So I can visually see it. Let's see what we got here. This is the right, this is the left. So this is left sticker on left, right on right. Match up all the holes. Alright, open up this bag. Sweet. There we go. And it's already pretty much preset for you. Pretty nice. And use the long small one. This is the Allen wrench. Now we get tight because all of it is perfectly aligned. All right, next step is the legs. Woo, this guy's heavy. Lay it down, slide it down, put it in the middle. That makes sense. I'm not gonna tighten it yet until I get both of it in. All right, all you gotta do. There you go. Now it's the rod. The rod, poke it in the right, then the left. There we go. Oh, and this is the cover for the motor. Seems pretty easy. Oh, I guess you can just push it in. Never mind. Interesting. Oh, okay. That was easy. Well, there's no left and right, but X25 by 25, and it's 4 pieces. So one right here. There's no washer. Interesting. I thought it would come with a washer. Tighten it. Very simple. Guess time for the controller. Okay. All right, here we go. So you got up, down, 1, 2, 3, 4. I guess M for memory to remember the different heights. So you got 4 adjustments. Pretty cool. Slide it in. Cool. That was easy. Oh, it's a Ethernet cord. So the next one is the control box. It has a 2 Ethernet port and a power. Slide this way. Make sure it flips. Just need to plug it in. Alright, power right here. M1 for control. Alright. And time to flip the cable and test out the hydraulics. Oh, the cable's pretty heavy. Very nice. Pretty sturdy table. All right, I powered it up. Let's see how high it goes up. You can hear the hydraulics. Pretty awesome. Pretty high. All right, so it stops at 47.2. So that's pretty high. Man, I don't know. A little high for my height. A little bit lower. This is pretty, yeah, right here. Standing, working, it's pretty awesome. Pretty cool. All right, let's see. How do you memorize? So you can set the actual settings for each one, for number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4. Nope, that's not it. Alright, so I got my desired height, 42. So there's 4 different memories you can set it for. All you have to do is pick your height. So I'm gonna pick 42. You're gonna hit M and then number 1, and that should be it. And then if you want different heights, let's say, I don't know, maybe the chair's a little bit higher. You want to put for your sitting height. There we go. Let's do 30. I'm gonna hit M again, number 2, and it's set. So if I want number 1, it's gonna go back to 42. Pretty cool. Number 2. It's very nice, very sturdy. Motor's kind of loud. Maybe I need to oil a little bit, but other than that,